Okay, students. So now we are going to do Cantor intersection theorem. Okay. So this is theorem 2.1.44 in your book, Cantor intersection theorem. Okay. So Cantor intersection theorem we are going to do. You already know about the proof of this theorem, very lengthy. So my board is very small for the proof of Cantor intersection theorem. So let's discuss the proof here. So the statement of theorem: let XD be a metric space. Let XD be a metric space. Then XD is complete if and only if. This theorem talks about completeness. So this metric space is going to be complete if and only if for every nested sequence, for every nested sequence, call it Fn, of non-empty closed subset of X that is since this is nested, so that is F1 contained F2 contained F3 so on Fn till infinitely many terms. Okay, such that diameter of Fn tends to 0, such that diameter of Fn tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. अगर ऐसा है, if you are given a nested sequence of closed subsets of X and diameter of Fn tending to 0 when n tends to infinity, अगर ऐसा है, then the intersection contains one and only one point in its intersection. ये हमारी थ्योरम है. और अगर if this is given here the sufficient condition, then XT is going to be complete. Okay, so now let's do the proof. So in proof directly I'm writing what we are given in the forward. XT is complete. XT complete given है. Okay, and also we are given, so let now XT is given complete, ये हमने assume किया. And now we have to prove that this intersection has one and only one point. But before that we have some conditions. Let's talk about them. What are the conditions? Fn is nested. So let Fn is nested. That is Fn plus 1 is contained in Fn for all n belong to n. ओके, XD हमने कंप्लीट ले लिया. और अगर इफ वी हैव दिस सीक्वेंस ऑल्सो हियर ईच Fn is non-empty and closed. What is the condition in this nested sequence? That each Fn is non-empty and closed. Also we are given and diameter of this sequence is tending to 0 as n tends to infinity. Okay, now we are going to show that this intersection contains one and only one point, and in order to show this, first we are going to show that this intersection is non empty, मतलब इसमें कोई एक एलिमेंट है. Then we will talk about the only one element being in intersection. So what is our first task now, students? That in this intersection we are going to prove that it is non-empty, and we will be making use of the following hypothesis. Let's proceed. So for convenience हम बोल सकते हैं, first we show that intersection of Fn is non-empty, and for convenience let's assume this is equal to F. This intersection is equal to F. So what we have to show now, for convenience अगर हम इसको F मानते हैं, then we have to show that F is non-empty. Okay, and we already know that for every n belong to n, Fn is non-empty, given है. So for each n belong to n, Fn is non-empty. So what does it mean? Write down the meaning of this. Therefore there exists xn belong to Fn. कम से कम कोई xn तो Fn में हो गई होगा, because non-empty. Okay, but now Fn is a sequence of nested sets. So keeping that in mind, और पहले let's make this diagram. So diagram बनाते हैं. F1, if I call it F1, so this has x1. Then F2 is contained having x2. Then similarly you will be having F3 having x3, and keep on doing so. Okay, note that for each positive integer n, xn plus 1, xn plus 2 till infinitely many, all lie in Fn. सब के सब Fn में होंगे, क्योंकि we have sequence of nested sets as in this diagram. देख लो, F1 में x1 भी है, x2 भी है, x3 भी है, x4 भी है, x5 भी है, till infinitely many. So similarly in Fn, xn plus 1, xn plus 2 till all infinitely many terms are going to be there in Fn. Because, but we have to write the reason, because xn plus 1 belongs to Fn, and Fn is always contained in Fn plus 1. It's very easy. Okay, now what is our aim? Our aim is to prove that this intersection is non-empty. तो but अब हमारे माइंड में नहीं आ रहा that what condition should we use. So ऐसे में when our mind stuck कि आगे हम क्या condition use करें, it is always better to think on hypothesis, given hypothesis. Given hypothesis has completeness. Completeness हमारे पास given है. Completeness means Cauchy implies convergent, और convergent means it will converge to a unique point, और वो unique point if we are able to show in our intersection, then we are done with this step. अगर हमने कोसी सीक्वेंस क्रिएट कर लिया, then by the completeness property we can say that will converge to a unique point. So this is our idea, students. But in order to use our given hypothesis, given condition completeness, we have to construct Cauchy sequence first. तभी हम उसको convergent बोल पाएंगे. Okay, sequence is already there in picture. You can see in diagram also. इसी sequence को I claim कि ये Cauchy है. So we claim that we assert that xn is Cauchy. हम ऐसा मान लेते हैं, बट मान क्या लिया, प्रूफ करना है हमने. तो लेट एप्सिलॉन ग्रेटर देन 0 बी गिवन. क्या शो करना है इन ऑर्डर टू प्रूव Cauchy? टू शो दैट देयर एग्जिस्ट अ नेचुरल नंबर एन नोट सच दैट डिस्टेंस ऑफ एनी टू टर्म्स less than epsilon after m n greater than equal to n naught after this finite states कि एक समय के बाद में डिस्टेंस ऑफ एनी टू टर्म इज स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन एप्सिलॉन. ऐसा होगा, और ऐसा यहाँ हो रहा है. क्यों हो रहा है? देखो, एक तो वी आर गिवन डायमीटर ऑफ एफ एन टेंडिंग टू 0, वो हमें हेल्प करेगी कंडीशन. सो as diameter of Fn tending to 0 as n tends to infinity, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? लिमिट n tends to infinity diameter of Fn is equal to 0. और हमें पता है डायमीटर तो एक रियल नंबर होता है, तो ये सीक्वेंस रियल नंबर की होगी. सो लेट्स अप्लाई द डेफिनेशन on this on mode. So what does it mean? ये 0 पे कन्वर्ज होने का मतलब क्या है सीक्वेंस का? that there exists n not belong to n such that mod dfn minus 0 less than epsilon, and distance तो पॉजिटिव होता है, तो I can remove the mod. So d of fn less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to n naught. Call it equation number 1. ओके. हाँ, अब हो गया, क्योंकि अब तो इतना आइडिया आपको हो ही चुका है बाय द डायमीटर कि नाउ इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक एनी टू एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम एफ एन, उनका डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज लेस देन इक्वल टू द डायमीटर, राइट? सो वी ऑलरेडी हैव आइडिया अबाउट दिस नाउ. जब भी डायमीटर के ऊपर कोई कंडीशन है तो यू कैन ऑलवेज compare with other distances in that set of respective set where we are having diameter of that set. So keeping that in mind, so what we have to show, हमने show करना है to show Cauchy. So consider m n greater than equal to n naught, okay, and without loss of generality, calling WLOG, हम m greater than equal to n ले लेते हैं. And from this diagram please see, when m is strictly greater than equal to n, that means fm is contained in fn. यहाँ से देखो, so therefore fm contained in fn, we can see here 2 is greater than equal to 1. 2 is greater than equal to 1. That means f2 contained in f1. So I hope you got it. Okay, and now we done the Cauchy. Why so? Therefore xn both will belong to fn. And इससे what do we get? Distance of xn is always less than equal to distance of diameter is always less than equal to diameter of Fn, and diameter of Fn is what? Strictly less than epsilon by 1. Therefore Fn is Cauchy-Dunn in X, of course, and X is given complete, so therefore Xn is convergent in X. Write down because X is complete given, ये हमें complete given है. So Xn is converging means किसी पॉइंट पे कन्वर्ज कर लिया है from X. So therefore there exists X belong to X such that Xn converge to X. Okay. Now he is saying as for any n we have sequence xn, xn plus 1, xn plus 2 all in Fn. So therefore x is equal to limit of n tends to infinity xn belongs to Fn closure also, and which is equal to Fn because F is given close, Fn is given close. ऐसा क्यों लिख रहे हैं हम? Because x being a limit is going to be limit point, और limit point तो क्लोजर में होगा, Fn क्लोजर में, ये गारंटी तो है. हम इसको सीधा Fn में नहीं बोल सकते थे. लिमिट पॉइंट मे और मे नॉट, लिमिट मे और मे नॉट बिलोंग टू दैट सेट, है ना, बट क्लोजर में तो है. दैट मीन्स x बिलोंग्स टू Fn क्लोजर, बट Fn इज गिवन क्लोज, सो Fn क्लोजर इज इक्वल टू Fn, हेंस x बिलोंग टू Fn, एंड Fn तो हमारा आर्बिट्रेरी है. ओके, एज Fn is arbitrary, hence x belong to intersection of Fn. Therefore x belong to F, and therefore F is non-empty. हो गया, F हमारा non-empty हो गया. But what we have to prove? That F has only one common point. इसका मतलब if there is any other common point in F, that is equal to X only. That is we are going to show. अगर कोई और कॉमन पॉइंट F में है तो that is equal to X. अगर हम ऐसा प्रूफ कर पाए तो then we are done. So next step. Now if Y is another point in F and Y is not equal to X, अगर y कोई और पॉइंट है एंड y इज नॉट इक्वल टू x, ये अब हमारी अजम्पशन है. हमने बोला कि अगर y कोई और पॉइंट है और y x के इक्वल नहीं है, सो इफ नाउ फर्दर आई विल बी एबल टू ब्रिंग एनी एब्सर्ड, कोई कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन अगर हम लेके आए तो ओवर अजम्पशन इज रॉन्ग. क्या अजम्पशन रॉन्ग होगी? कि y इज नॉट इक्वल टू x, सो y को x के इक्वल होना पड़ेगा. एंड व्हेन टू डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट आर देयर, no matter you are going to use in proof or not, always write distance going to be strictly greater than 0, right? So therefore distance of yx is strictly greater than 0 because they are distinct point. Okay, now we have to bring contradiction. So in order to bring contradiction, I am assuming one radius, calling it alpha, and that I am calling equal to this distance only. So let alpha is equal to dxy. And why we are doing so, why are we taking so, you will get to know abhi. So I am taking this new radius and I am going to apply this on this given condition that diameter of Fn tends to 0. क्या पता हमें कुछ एब्सर्ड मिल जाए वहाँ से. सो एज diameter of Fn tending to 0 means limit n tends to infinity is equal to 0. So therefore there exists n not belong to n such that diameter of Fn strictly less than epsilon alpha for all n greater than equal to n naught. हम ऐसे डिनाई नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज दिस इज गिवन. And keeping this in mind, so consider any fixed n greater than equal to n naught. वो हम ले सकते हैं because this is true for all n greater than equal to n naught. तो कोई फिक्स ले लेते हैं हम because we are trying to show some contradiction. हम किसी चीज़ को प्रूफ नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट एन एब्सर्ड. कुछ ना कुछ अनर्थ हमें करना है. अब स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन अनर्थ कुछ करना है. देन ओवर अजम्पशन इज गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग. तो कोई फिक्स एन ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू एन नोट अगर हमने लिया, सो एक्स वाई बिलोंग टू एफ इम्प्लाइज एक्स वाई बिलोंग टू एफ एन ऑल्सो. एफ तो इंटरसेक्शन है एंड दैट मीन्स डिस्टेंस ऑफ एक्स वाई लेस देन इक्वल टू diameter of Fn और diameter of Fn is strictly less than alpha. और ये नंबर हमने क्या लिया था इक्वल टू अल्फा. हेंस अल्फा इज स्ट्रिक्टली लेस देन अल्फा. हो गया कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन. दिस इज एन अब्सर्ड. सो देयरफॉर ओवर अजम्पशन इज रॉन्ग. देयरफॉर y इज इक्वल टू x. देयरफॉर f इज अ सिंगलटन वेयर f इज Fn n is equal to 1 to infinity. So one way is done. Now we are going to do the backward part. In backward part we have to prove completeness. Completeness prove करना है तो Cauchy implies convergent. कोई Cauchy sequence we are going to take and then we have to prove that is also convergent. So the backward part, let XD be matrix space. Unnecessary, even if you won't write, it is understood. So अब what is given वो हम लिख लेते हैं. If every nested sequence of non-empty closed subset of x with diameter tending to 0 has non-empty intersection, that is only one point in common. अगर ऐसा है, दिस इज गिवन दिस टाइम, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू शो xt इज कंप्लीट. देन xt इज कंप्लीट. ये अब हमें शो करना है. ठीक है. सो कोई Cauchy सीक्वेंस वी आर गोइंग टू टेक एंड वी आर हैव टू प्रूव कन्वर्जेंट. सो लेट xn be a Cauchy sequence in x. What we have to show that xn converges. This we have to show. अगर ऐसा हमने किया then we are done. Anyway, but now some hypothesis condition are given. Some hypothetical conditions are given. अगर उनका हमें यूज करना है तो वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट देम. ओके. और वो क्या है? नेस्टेड सीक्वेंस ऑफ क्लोज नॉन एम्प्टी सेट्स हैविंग डायमीटर टेंडिंग टू 0. अगर ऐसा हमने किया देन आई विल क्लेम दैट इंटरसेक्शन हैज कॉमन पॉइंट 1, only one common point, and sequence convergent means will converge to a unique point, so that common point I might use for convergent point. So let's create. So for each n belong to n, define an is equal to xn, xn plus 1, so on. And similarly an plus 1 is going to be what in that case? Xn plus 1, xn plus 2, xn plus 3 all the way, right? And now clearly an is non-empty and so clearly हमने ऐसे डिफाइन किया, clearly an is non-empty and an plus 1 is contained in an. This is how we have defined an plus 1. So इसका मतलब so sequence an is nested. नेस्टेड सीक्वेंस कर ली हमने और नॉन एम्प्टी भी हो गया. अभी क्लोज नहीं हुआ. क्लोज से पहले लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द डायमीटर ऑफ ए एन इज 0. सो क्लेम डायमीटर ऑफ ए एन टेंस टू 0, दैट इज लिमिट एन टेंस टू इंफिनिटी, डायमीटर ऑफ ए एन इज इक्वल टू 0. So let epsilon greater than 0 be given. What we have to show? To show there exists n naught belong to n such that diameter of an less than epsilon, right? But xn is given Cauchy. As xn is Cauchy, so let's write down the meaning of this. Therefore corresponding to epsilon upon 2 greater than 0, there exists n naught belong to n such that distance of any two terms less than epsilon upon 2 after m and n greater than equal to n naught. Call it equation number 1. Okay. अब देखो बच्चों, दिस डिस्टेंस इज लेस देन epsilon upon 2 फॉर infinitely many terms. Okay, तो their supremum will hold for the same. So therefore supremum of distance xm xn कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? a से. So less than equal to epsilon upon 2, that is diameter of an less than equal to epsilon upon 2, and which is strictly less than epsilon. That is why I was taking epsilon upon 2 earlier. और ये किसके लिए ट्रू है? दिस इज ट्रू फॉर ऑल m n, ये ग्रेटर फॉर ऑल n greater than equal to n naught now. So that is limit n tends to infinity, diameter of an is equal to 0. कन्वर्जेंट हमने शो कर दिया. अच्छा, तो वी हैव गोट नेस्टेड नॉन एम्प्टी डायमीटर टेंडिंग टू 0, लेकिन क्लोज की हमने बात नहीं की अभी. सो दिस वर्क वी हैव टू डू ऑन क्लोज. So keeping this in mind, in fact this is the key point of entire proof. Proof is lengthy, proof lengthy ज़रूर है, but it is logical. If you are working hard, अगर आपने सारी चीज़ें रिवाइज किया, then proof is easy but lengthy. Okay, and but don't think that this theorem cannot be asked in final paper. This can be asked in final paper. वो एक ही पार्ट पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, और they may ask some specific portion from here. On the spot also question can be created from this theorem. Okay, anyway, as I have told कि सारा काम हमने किया है, but close set हम बात नहीं करें. So let's discuss about the closeness now. So now what he is doing, so now for each n belong to n, let's define fn is equal to an closure. और an closure close होता है, we have proved. And that means if whatever work we have done on an, if the same work we are able to prove on an closure, that is on fn, then close पे we are done. And that's what I'm going to do. See why? As an is non-empty, right? An is non-empty and an is always contained in an closure, that is what? fn. So इससे क्या हो गया? fn non-empty हो गया, right? Also he is claiming also fn is nested. ये sequence nested है. Why so? We have to give reason. ऐसा इसलिए because an plus 1 contain in an. The same relation will hold for the closure. An closure is contained in an. Sorry, an plus 1 closure contain in an closure. That is fn plus 1 contain in fn. So this sequence non-empty, nested, done. And now what we have to show? That diameter of fn is 0. And that is true. Diameter of an is always equal to diameter of an closure. We are already done. So that means diameter of this will converge to 0. That is limit n tends to infinity, diameter of fn is equal to 0. और अब जो बैकवर्ड कंडीशंस हमें गिवन थी हाइपोथेसिस, उसका हम p क्रिएट कर चुके हैं. And hence it implies the conclusion, that means intersection has only one common point. So by given condition intersection n is equal to 1 to infinity, fn has one and only one point common, and say x belong to x. Okay, so in last step we have to prove convergent, and since we got the unique point, convergent तो unique होता है ना, so now we are going to prove over Cauchy sequence xn converges to this x. Finally, so last step, finally to show xn converges to x.